we lived in that for 3.5 years, and we built the house. Then we decided to turn it into a zoo. The reason we wanted to turn it into a zoo was we do a lot with special needs children and adults, but we also do a lot with the public, birthday parties. We also do functions, so we can take some of our animals out to different events as well. So we also, a few of our animals are on television, so we've done commercials. You'll see a white cockatoo, he'll be cruising around all day, might drive you mad, don't be fooled, he does bite. So don't before you get your hands up to him, but you will get to hold one of the birds later on in the day. The difference between us and other probably similar sort of sanctuaries is it's pretty full-on, like hands-on experience. So you're going to meet some awesome animals, being reptiles, marsupials, which are animals with pouches, which are wombats, kangaroos. We've got our mammals, which are the dingoes. So Sam will bring one of the dingoes out. You get to hold whatever it is you want, feel comfortable holding, whether that's a crocodile, snake, lizard, and that sort of thing. So it's pretty cool. We do a lot of our stuff here. We are changing some bits and pieces, and we have got some renos going on with one of our crocodile enclosures. So as we normally do go out into that area, it's kind of, you'll see, Sam will take you up there anyway, but he's getting a new pond put in. We have 4 crocodiles here at the Funky Farm.
Wild and free, baby, we can dream farther than
So Cleo is a Cape York carpet coastal python. So she's about 9 years old now.
Gentle.
Stay away from her head, but you can pat her tail.
No touch.
Gentle. She's quite cold. Look, gliders, the truth is the only one that lives inside.
a bit more. Never know what's in
Stuffed off, hold on. So this is Wade and Boo. We'll just let them come out. Hello, darling.
Whoa, Ollie.
Yep. I'll get you a carrot.
Cause we don't wanna grow up. We just wanna be young. Play and make believe. Come and rescue me. Feel the sun on my skin and scream. We don't wanna grow up. We just wanna have fun. Wild and free, baby, we can dream farther than our eyes have ever seen. I don't wanna grow up. We don't wanna grow up. We just wanna be young. Play and make believe. Come and rescue me. Feel the sun on my skin and scream. We don't wanna grow up. We just wanna have fun. Wild and free, baby, we can dream farther than our eyes have ever seen. I don't wanna grow up.
Most of our birds are unwanted pets. I have a heap of lorikeets, so I do love my lorries. Nasty as they are. So we've got an Alexandrino, which is an Asiatic parrot that somebody didn't want. Three behind him is a regent parrot. They're extremely endangered. Yeah, just that sort of yellowy one. He's quite beautiful. We're still looking for a female for him so that we can start breeding. Very difficult.
Hello,
to find.
Cocky.
So most of these white cockies in here. Billy Boy here's got a broken wing. He's about 50 years old now.
Oh, wow.
October hatchlings
Yep.
last year. So they are very slow growing. So Fluffy there is 8 years old, and she will get to about 2.5 metres.
Hello.
Pat, look. Can I have a pat?
Little Pat.
Pat a crocodile?